Assalamu alaikum everyone. So SLP is pumping up pretty much, and we can see that the prices have actually moved a little bit higher in the past few. Like yesterday, we went up to nearly 3,000 from 30,000 to now 3,000 from 2,900. Now the thing is that in here you're looking for a little bit of that stop right now. So the thing is, what I want to say is basically the prices are now not doing pretty well. The prices are moving higher, and we're looking at the RSI pretty much moving to the downside as well. So you do have a bearish divergence, number one. Number two is that on the daily we still need a retest, and that retest may happen in the future because you've broken below this channel. So the channel was there and you went all the way to the sideways, you broke above the channel. Is the technical target met? Let's actually see that. So you take the trend line from there to there, and the technical target for this is still pending. Okay, the target for SOP is still up here, which is actually going to be 0.03814. And when you do that, you do have another break, which is probably right over here, or maybe with the resistance right over there. So if the prices shoot up here, understand that there is a resistance up there, which is going to be like this. So touch number one, touch number two, touch number three, move up to this technical target and go for a touch number four, and eventually maybe in the future start to drop down to retest that trend line. But it will be much more better if we see SOP coming down first, retesting, and then finally move to the upside. That's really better. Let's analyze the monthly as well. So if you look at the monthly time frame, we have a very big morning star, and by the way, this is also known as a bullish ladder bottom. So on the monthly, we are really looking good, and for the month of November, I do believe that pretty much every cryptocurrency out there is looking amazing to continue to the upside. And that's it for this very quick update on SLP. I'm going to see you the next one. Hello, Hafiz.